All the rage, understanding trendy phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. We'll be exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, all the rage. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video will help you understand and use this popular phrase correctly. All the rage is an idiomatic expression used to describe something that is extremely popular or fashionable at a particular time. When we say that something is all the rage, we mean that it's trendy and that a lot of people are interested in it. This phrase can refer to anything from fashion and technology to hobbies and entertainment. The phrase, all the rage, originated in the late 1700s. It was first used to describe something that provoked a passionate response in people, but over time, its meaning shifted to signify something that is widely popular or in fashion. Understanding the origin of phrases like this can help us appreciate the dynamic nature of language. Let's look at some examples to see how all the rage is used in context. 1. Smartwatches are all the rage these days. Everyone seems to have one. 2. In the 1980s, disco music was all the rage. 3. Plant-based diets are becoming all the rage among health enthusiasts. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe trends in different areas. When using all the rage, remember that it's typically used to talk about current trends. It's a great phrase for discussing fashion, technology, or social trends. However, it's not used to describe things that are personally exciting or interesting to you unless they are also widely popular. And that's a wrap on all the rage. I hope this video has made this English phrase clearer and more accessible to you. Remember, language is all about expressing yourself, and understanding phrases like this can add color to your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.